Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making healthy, whole food, plant-based, no oil protein bars. Protein bars can be pretty pricey in the grocery store, and it's so easy to make your own. These are similar to my little protein balls that I made, but I've tweaked it just a little bit, and let's get started. So these protein bars are going to be sweetened with dates. There's no added sugar in this recipe, no oil, no added sugar. So I've got 25 dates that I have pitted, and I'm just going to give these a quick little pulse before I add the other ingredients. So then what we're going to add to this, I have a cup of gluten-free oats. I've got 2 tablespoons of organic cocoa powder. I've got 2 tablespoons of vanilla protein powder and 2 tablespoons of PB2, which is dried peanut butter. And I get the sugar-free, so there's no added sugar in this. I've got 2 tablespoons of almond butter. You can use peanut butter. I ran out, so I'm using almond butter, which is going to be just fine. And then to that we will add a teaspoon of vanilla. And that is it. So we're going to blend this up. We're going to add a little water as necessary. I'm going to start with just a couple tablespoons until you get the right consistency. And this is pretty much what you want, is you want a nice clump. So what we're going to do now is get some of this out of the way. I've lined this little pan with some parchment paper. So we're just going to take this off. Get the blade out, hopefully. Let's just start. It's kind of gooey, which is why you want the parchment paper. Hold on here. There we go. So let's get all this in here. So you just want to wet your fingers a little bit, and then you're just going to press it in here. And just get it evenly pressed in here. Okay, once they're evenly pressed, you're going to want to score them, because we're going to put these in the freezer. And then this way you don't have to worry about cutting them once they're all frozen. All right, so we'll put these in the freezer for a couple hours, and I just leave mine in the freezer. Once I cut them, I'll put them in another container, and I just leave them in the freezer, and they are so good. And of course, you can add, if you wanted to add chocolate chips to these, you could, or shredded coconut. Just use your imagination, but they're really easy to make, as you see, and then you've always got a protein bar on hand, and you don't have to worry about buying one at the store. You can just, grab one, put it in a bag, throw it in your purse, you're good to go. So once these are frozen, we will give them a taste. So it's been about 3 hours since they've been in the freezer, and it's nighttime, as you can tell. And these are beautiful. Let me give you an up close. Look at that. These are so chocolatey. I topped them with some sunflower seeds, and I'm gonna give them a taste. Mm. These are so good. They're so rich and chocolatey. And it's, I mean, no unrefined sugar in here, just sweetened with dates, packed with protein, vitamins, minerals. I mean, dates are so good for you. You know, they not only the fiber, potassium, magnesium, manganese, just a great sweetener. So I hope you give these a try. They're good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell, the notification bell, so you are notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.